Hello guys, welcome back. This is my second review for the S6 Aurora ROM port for the Galaxy S4, the octa-core version Exynos. This is the version 2.0. I will be reviewing the beta 2, but I had no internet connection for that, so I am directly reviewing the 2.0. So in this version, the system UI is very smooth, like any other builds of the custom ROMs of the Lollipop. The recent touch is smoothest in here. I like it very much, and the ROM is very snappy. The frameworks are now fully ported. See, when you double click the menu button, it opens the camera, but the effects are not working. But the mode, if you install the mode from the XDA developers separately, it should be working. I tested on the stock Lollipop, and it was working really nice. Priority centers in the messaging app. The new S6 system is fully ported, and the multi-user. The settings are back. He had replaced this one with the Note 4 one. Now there is edge screen. I have not used the edge lighting, but I use the edge people. Let me just turn it on. Should be on the left. It doesn't swipe quickly. Okay, there we have it. We can add the contacts like this. Also, one thing, in the edge screen, if we enable the information stream and night log, they are not working pretty well like this. If we rub this, I think it is left. Okay, it will not show, but the night log will show for 1 second and it will go. It should last there. See, and the other things, now the themes is fully ported this time. I have downloaded the very much popular themes like Material and the Iron Man limited edition one. As you can see, fully working. Let me just increase the brightness. Okay, there we go. Fully themed. And the surprising thing, if you think, is that if you install an app, there are Android M like permissions. If you turn this off, or like location, camera usage, data usage. Very nice. Let me just quickly show you the Iron Man theme. It just turned off. Okay, there we go. The dialer, very nicely themed. These are the official themes. The camera, and the other apps are themed as well, but I didn't like this that much. But system UI is well colored, glowing red. I like Super AMOLED displays very much. Let me just go back. I think Samsung should contain an update if you want to choose only system UI or the icons like the Cyanogen mode theme center. That will be very nice, because very few themes are like that. The system UI is very beautifully colored, which I like very much, but I want to select that specifically only. Let's just go through some apps. We don't have that much like time spiral like the older versions. Let's go to my dialer. Contacts. Very fluid ROM. But there is a one big bug. When you go to the Dolby sound, there is a hiccup. It freezes for 5 to 10 seconds and then it goes. That is very annoying. Let's just go through the settings again. We got now the screen mode working, but the touch LED lights are not working at all. As you can see, I have turned it on. The festival effect, the lock screen effects. Now lock screen effects of the S6 are not ported, the old ones are there present. 5.0.2. The air view is not working, means there is not a setting but there is a toggle here. Let me just show you. Here it is. If you go like this, it will show you nothing. This is all about S6 ROM, guys. It's been 2 months since the ROM moderator is porting this ROM. Still the video app is left, but it is very stable. This screen is not working properly. Okay, there we go. No, it's not showing it. Calculator. The modder has also added the backup and restore. I have not checked it that one. Also the 64X libraries have been ported. The word is working now. Word clock and the other things. Very nice. Let's just check out the browser. And the internet is down. There are very connection problems in my area, in Alibag, where I live. It started updating the apps. And there are not much things, Let's see the S voice. It's now like Siri. The bottom bar only comes, not the full app. Okay, crashed. Wow. Smart manager. Okay, this is all about the S6 ROM for the Galaxy S4 i9 500. Thanks for watching, guys.